In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can edit the length of your composition in Cavalry. So I have my composition here, and as you can see, it's now set to 250, and I cannot drag this bar either to the left or to the right. It just doesn't move. So if you want to adjust the length of your composition, there are two options to do so. The first one is just dragging your composition from the asset window to the attribute editor window. As you can see here, you can change the resolution, playback range, and all those things, even your background. But what you can also do is change the frame range. And when you increase the frame range, let me zoom out a bit. As you can see, now I can drag this bar to the part, the exact frame range I set in my attribute editor. So that's an easy way to lengthen your composition. You can also go to composition and then composition settings, and in composition settings you have the same option. You have the frame range, which if you adjust it, as you can see here in your attribute editor, it gets adjusted as well. And then it's just zooming out and dragging this bar to where you want to have it. And that's an easy way how you can lengthen your composition in Cavalry. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.